Welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today I'm making a decorative wooden box. The plan from the beginning was to make a wooden box for my wife's silver tools, but I didn't quite have the knowledge, so I thought I'd start to make a smaller box like this. Making this box I think gave me the confidence to start working on my wife's silver tool box. But for now, this is how I made this one. So I have these oak boards that I've glued together, and I'm gonna use them to make a box. So the first thing is to cut the pieces that's gonna make the walls on the box. Alright, so the box is dried and it's time to put on the lid and the bottom of the box. And I'm also going to use a spline jig to insert some splines in this box. So let's go do that. Alright, so the glue has dried on the bottom and it's time to shave off the excess here. I've also added some wood filler to the edges, and once we've cut off the excess here, I'm just going to glue the top and do the same there. So this is actually quite scary. I'm gonna cut through the box now, which I've never done before, but I've marked the center of the box and I'm just gonna cut it off. So that went well, I think, and the box is split. So now all I have to do is sand it, put on some hinges, and oil it. So I've put out all the hinges that's going to go on the back side of this, and I'm going to use these really tiny screws. And since this wood is so thin, it's 0.8 millimeters thick, I have also taped the drill so it won't go through. So I have to be really careful here not to protrude the inside of the box. So let's do it. So it's time to attach the latch, and I've found some really small screws to do that. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So when that is drying up, I thought I could make a leather handle. That's it, we're done. And I think it turned out great.